Hello and welcome to this Millennial Review where we're going to be installing ink on a Canon Pixma TS6420a. It's a pretty quick and easy process. I'm going to show you how to get it done, and if you need the 260 black ink and the 261 color ink, I'll have linked those down in the description below with the best price I can find. Well, anyways, without any further ado, let's get this done. To go ahead and get into the printer, lift up the scan bed bay and then press up on this small button, which should get us room to be able to see inside to where the print head cartridges are. So you've got a C and a B. That's going to be B for the black ink, and then of course the C one for color ink. And all we're going to need to do is press the button in front. You can see it kind of pops right up like that, and then they'll drop down and click in. In this case, let's go ahead and start with the black ink. Take it out of the package. Be sure not to touch any of that, and you also don't want to touch where the ink is injected out. That's where it comes out and goes into the printer. But now that that's open, go ahead and give it a good shake. You want to go ahead and shake these up reasonably well, and this 260 black ink is ready to go in. So you'll just take the ink, slide it right into place, and it's going to lock down, and you can almost hear a little suction noise, and then just click into place. B is in place. We'll open up the C for the color. Same deal. Peel open the color ink, give it a good shake, of course. Pull this off, shake it a little bit more, and then now we can take that and take a quick listen. Yep, and you can hear that engage. It's pretty quiet, but in person you'll definitely hear it. Those are locked into place, and then now you can just lower down the scan bay cover, and you'll see it now says the cover has been closed. That's a good sign. And it's going to go through a little bit of initialization to make sure that those ink cartridges get placed in properly. And once it confirms that they're in there, you now need to do a start and an alignment to improve print quality. You always want to say yes after changing up. It says load 2 sheets of paper. We've got those 2 sheets of paper right in the lower tray, so no problem there. And we'll just go ahead and click OK. It's going to take a minute or so to be able to go through this process, but it will vastly improve the overall print quality if you do the alignment. And just like that, your printer is now all set. The ink is installed, and you can see it's printed on both sides. Everything's aligned up.